Dolphins, masters of sound. Did you know dolphins use a language of whistles as their names? Dolphins communicate using various sounds, including whistles that signify individual identities. It's like everyone has their name. Ants, scented conversations. Ants don't talk, they smell each other. Ants use pheromones to communicate, releasing different chemical signals to inform each other about food or warn of danger. Wolves, group howling. Wolf howling isn't just scary, it's their version of group chatting. Wolves howl to strengthen bonds within the pack and coordinate activities like hunting. Bees, dance for food. Bees dance to show where food is located. Their dance moves are a map. When they find a flower, bees perform the waggle dance, showing others the exact direction to the food source. Elephants, deep rumblings. Elephants talk in deep sounds that the human ear can't hear. Elephants use infrasound to communicate over long distances, allowing them to connect within herds or between different groups. Squirrels, tail as a signal. When a squirrel waves its tail, it's not just about food, it's a danger warning. Squirrels use their tails as a signaling system. Rapid waving can mean they've spotted a predator. Owls, whispering at night. Owls don't just hoot, they use specific tones to communicate. Owls use different tones of hooting to communicate and call their partners. Weaver birds, nesting artists. Their communication isn't just song, they showcase their skills through nest weaving. Male weaver birds build complex nests to attract females, and the quality of the nest directly affects partner selection. Whales, poets of the ocean. Whales sing songs that can last for hours, and each has a meaning. Whales use complex songs to communicate across vast ocean distances, conveying information about positions and moods. Octopuses, masters of camouflage. Octopuses speak without words. They change colors and shapes to send messages. By altering their skin color and texture, octopuses signal emotions like fear or anger, as well as their intentions. Lemurs, vocal conversations. Lemurs have specific sounds for everything, from love to war. Lemurs use different vocalizations, such as howls or chirps, to express emotional states and communicate with group members. Seahorses, love whispers. Seahorses literally whisper to each other. These fascinating fish produce gentle clicks to coordinate with each other, especially during mating. Baboon, complicated expressions. Baboons use facial expressions almost like humans. Their complex grimaces, such as baring teeth or raising brows, convey messages about aggression or reconciliation. Chimpanzees, signs and sounds. Chimpanzees combine body language and sounds. It's like using multiple languages at once. Chimpanzees use hand signs and various vocalizations to communicate within their communities. Penguins, vocal marks. Each penguin has a unique voice that helps them find their chicks. In large colonies, penguins use unique calls to recognize each other and locate their mates in the crowd. Sparrows, territorial songs. Sparrows use song not just to woo mates, but also to defend their territory. Their melodies serve a dual purpose, attracting females and warning competitors. Crabs, claw sounds. When a crab clicks its claws, it's sending a strong message. Crabs use the clicks of their claws as a means of communication, often to intimidate rivals. Lions, royal roars. A lion's roar can be heard up to 10 kilometers away. It's their version of a phone call. Their powerful roar is used to mark territory and coordinate within the pride. Scorpions, vibrational warnings. Scorpions don't scream, but vibrations in the ground speak volumes. They sense vibrations in the ground to detect danger or locate prey. Marmosets, complex language. Marmosets have a vocal system that almost resembles our language. They use complex sounds and vocalizations to communicate within their family groups. Orcas, elaborate language. Orcas have different dialects between their families. Their communication includes complex sounds and clicks, with different clans having their own language. Rabbits, foot thumping. When a rabbit thumps its foot on the ground, that's a strong warning. This loud thump alerts others to danger and calls other rabbits to be cautious. Geckos, nocturnal singers. Geckos communicate through sounds that resemble singing. They produce loud calls and chirps, especially during mating. Giraffes, silent beasts. Giraffes are known for their silence, but they actually communicate through infrasonic sounds. They use low frequencies that humans cannot hear, helping giraffes communicate over large distances. Lobsters. Chemical messages. Lobsters literally write chemical messages as they communicate. They use urine containing chemical trails to convey messages about their status or intentions.